So, dear friends, your love is gone. Only tears to dwell upon. I dare not say as the wind must blow. So a love is lost, a love is won. Go to sleep and dream again. Soon your hopes will rise, and then from all this gloom life can start anew, and there'll be no crying soon.
Bet your bottom dollar bill you're a playboy. Daddy cool with a $90 smile. Took my money out of gratitude and you get right out of town. Gotta get you up, steady up, shoot him down. Gotta hit that latitude. Bring back that Leroy Brown. Bring back.
Gotta bring that Leroy Brown.
Big bad Leroy Brown, you got no common sense. You got no brains, but you sure got a lot of style. Can't stand no more in this here jail. I gotta rid myself with this sentence. Gotta get out the heat, step into the shade. Gotta get me that dead or alive. Badly right. Badly right. Bring back that Leroy Brown. Gotta bring that Leroy Brown. Big Mama Lulu Bell, she had a nervous breakdown. Leroy taking her honey child away. But she met him down at the station, put a shotgun to his head, and unless I'm mistaken, this is what she said. Big bad Leroy Brown. I'm gonna get that cutie pie. Bring back that Leroy Brown. Big bad cause the mighty fine sensation. Got himself elected president. We want Leroy for president.